Every journey deserves more than just a destination. It deserves a place that feels like home. Nestled in the heart of Ektanagar, Kevadia, just moments away from the majestic Statue of Unity, Soul Bay Resort welcomes you to an experience where comfort, nature, and unforgettable memories come together. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, a corporate retreat, or a group tour, Soul Bay is designed to make every stay special. Step into thoughtfully crafted rooms that blend modern luxury with peaceful surroundings. Wake up to breathtaking views of the river, mountains, and the iconic Statue of Unity. Begin your day with breakfast in bed, unwind with a refreshing shower, and enjoy every moment in complete comfort. Savor delicious flavors throughout the day, from a wholesome breakfast to delightful lunches and elegant dinners. End the evening with a romantic candlelight dinner under the stars, creating moments that last forever. Celebrate life's happiest occasions with us. Birthdays, anniversaries, intimate family gatherings, or small celebrations. Every event becomes a cherished memory at Soul Bay. Our beautifully designed banquet spaces are also perfect for weddings, private functions, and grand celebrations. For businesses and organizations, Soul Bay offers professional spaces for corporate meetings, conferences, training sessions, and team-building experiences, where productivity meets hospitality. Families can spend quality time together in our indoor game zone, enjoying fun-filled activities and laughter. Children can play freely while parents relax, making every generation feel at home. Take a refreshing dip in the swimming pool, unwind in the jacuzzi, or simply relax poolside. With a cup of evening tea as the beautiful sunset paints the sky. Beyond the resort, discover the beauty of Kevadia. Explore the magnificent Statue of Unity. Admire the scenic river and mountain views, and experience the many attractions that make this destination one of India's most loved travel destinations. At Soul Bay Resort, every smile is genuine, every welcome is heartfelt, and every stay is filled with moments worth remembering. Come for the destination, stay for the experience. Soul Bay Resort, your perfect stay near the Statue of Unity.